So basic needs will be required, and for that basic resources are required. So it is very important to have resources and the people and the number of people, that is your population, in a balance. So if this balance disturbs, then there will be a problems. So in India, what we face that there is the human development or the human resources good, but we face that other resources we lack. All right, there are very few resources that are all that altogether fulfills the needs of the population that we have in India. So that is the basic problem faced by the Indian people or the Indian country. Indian culture and civilization have been very sensitive to the issues of population, resource and development for a long time. It would not be incorrect to say that the ancient scriptures were essentially concerned about the balance and harmony among the elements of nature. Mahatma Gandhi in the recent times advocated the reinforcement of the harmony and the balance between the two. He was quite apprehensive about the ongoing development, particularly they were industrialization and institutionalization. The loss of morality, spirituality, self-reliance, non-violence, and mutual cooperation and an environment. In his opinion, autonomy for individual, trusteeship for social wealth, and non-violence are the key to attain higher goals. So, autonomy for individual, trusteeship for social wealth, and non-violence are the keys to attain the higher goals in the life of an individual as well as that of a nation. So these are the main 3 points to attain the goals in life as an individual and as well as of a nation. His views were also echoed in the Club of Rome report, Limits to Growth, Small Book is Beautiful, etc. So you can go through these reports. In this he has explained these things in detail. So here we are at the end of the chapter and we are done with the chapter. So here are the exercises at the end of the chapter. You can see we have to choose the correct answers. Then we have answer the following question in about 30 words, that is your short answer questions. And then we have long answer question which you have to write in not more than 150 words. So that will be your assignment for the week.